multiplication of money by whole number. Okay, so let's see here. How do we multiply money by a whole number? So here teacher said, like addition and subtraction of money, multiplication of money is also important. Now Chitna replied, yes ma'am. Then teacher said, following steps will help you to multiplying the money. So टीचर ने यहाँ कुछ स्टेप्स बताए हैं जिसके थ्रू हम इजीली मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज राइट द गिवन अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन फिगर्स. पहले एज यूजुअल हमें क्या करना है, जो अमाउंट हमें दिया गया है उसको हम फिगर्स में लिखेंगे. देन स्टेप नंबर 2, मल्टीप्लाई द अमाउंट बाय द गिवन होल नंबर एज वी मल्टीप्लाई नंबर. ओके, जैसे हम सिंपली मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं ऐसे ही जो हमें नंबर दिया हुआ है, जो हमारा रुपीस और पैसे वाला अमाउंट है, सो जो हमारा अमाउंट हमें दिया हुआ है उससे हम जैसे होल नंबर्स की मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं एज यूजुअल, उसको भी ऐसे ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 3 इज इन द प्रोडक्ट put the dot at the same place from right where it was in the original amount. और उसके बाद जो हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट आएगा मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद उसमें हम डॉट पुट करेंगे सेम उसी प्लेस पे जैसा कि ओरिजिनल अमाउंट में दिया हुआ था. सो लेट्स सी हियर एग्जांपल नंबर 8. So multiply 102.35 rupees by 8. So first we make the simple number and write here without dot. And we will multiply it by 8. 8 5s are 40, 4 will be here, 8 3s are 24 and 4 28, 2 carry over here, 8 2s are 16, 16 and 2 18. 1 we have here, so 1 will be 1 and 8 1s are 8. So here we have now 81880. Now we have to put the dot here. In this real amount we have 1 and 2 decimal places. So in the product we also put decimal after 2 digits. So 1 and 2, here we put the dot. Okay, in this manner we can also multiply the numbers or amount. Now we have example number 9. A notebook costs 35 rupees. How much money will I get back if I buy 4 notebooks and pay by a 200 rupee note? तो इन्होंने बोला है कि एक नोटबुक की कॉस्ट कितनी है, 35 रुपीज़. ठीक है, और ये पूछा है कि अगर मैं ऐसी 4 नोटबुक खरीदूं और शॉपकीपर को दूं मैं 200 रुपये का नोट, तो कितनी मनी जो है वो मुझे वापस मिलेगी. सो लेट्स सी हियर. प्राइस ऑफ 1 notebook is 35. So price of 4 notebook will be 35 into 4. After multiplying it we get 140 rupees. Okay, and द मनी आई विल गेट बैक, कि मुझे कितनी मनी वापस मिलेगी वो कैसे पता चलेगा, जितना अमाउंट मैंने दिया है 200 रुपीज़ और कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 नोटबुक विल बी 140 रुपीज़. वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट एंड गेट 60 रुपीज़. ओके, नाउ टीचर सेड, चिल्ड्रन now do this exercise for more practice. And Chitra replied, yes ma'am. So here we have exercise 12C in which we practice the multiplication of amount. So first one is multiply the following. 4.25 rupees will be multiplied by 9. As we know, we write in column and without dot. So here we write 425 multiplied by 9. Okay. So here 9 5s are 45. 4 will be here. 9 2s are 18. 18 and 4 22. 2 will be here. 9 4s are 36 and 2 38. After multiplying, we get the product 3825. As we know, we have to put dot here as we have in the real amount or actual amount. So here the dot will be after 2 digits. So here we also put decimal after 2 digit. So 1 and 2. So the amount will become 38 rupees 25 paise, or we can write 38.25 rupees. Okay. Now we have word problem. Question number 2. 1 kg of sweets cost 380 rupees. What is the cost of 3 kg and 500 gram of sweets? Okay. So here we write first cost of 1 kg sweets is 380 rupees. Okay. Now we have to find out the cost of 3 kg and 500 gram sweets. So first we find out the cost of 3 kg of sweets. Okay. So for that we will multiply 380 by 3. Okay. So here we have 380 rupees multiply by 3. After multiplying it we get 3 को 0 से multiply किया 3. Again 0. So here we will multiply. 3 को 0 से multiply करेंगे 0. 3 multiply 0 here we get 0. Again 3 multiply 0 we get 0. 3 8 is 24. 4 will be here. 2 will be here. 3 3 is 9 and 2 11. Okay, and we put decimal after 2 digits. It will become 1140 rupees. Okay, this is of cost of 3 kg of sweets, and we have to find out also 500 gram cost of sweets. Okay, so here we know that 1 kg of sweets will be 380 rupees. So 500 is half kg. So we will divide it by 2. So we get here 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, 190 rupees. Okay, and the cost of 3 kg of sweets is 1140, and the cost of 500 grams sweet is 190. So for that we will add it. Here 1140 rupees plus 190 rupees. Okay, after that. यहाँ से रेड वाला जो लिखा है वो. So here we find the cost of 3 kg of sweets is 1140 rupees, and the cost of 500 gram of sweets is 190 rupees. Now we will add it. 0 and 0 will be 0, 4 9 13. 1 will be carry over. 0 0 0, 4 9 13. 1 will be carry over here. 1 1 2 and 1 3, and here we get 1. So the answer will become 1330 rupees, or we can write here the cost of 3 kg 500 gram of sweets will be 1330 rupees. Okay, this is our answer. In this way you can easily solve the word problems also. Now we have question number 3. You have to try to do yourself. Now we will learn division of money by a whole number. अब हम divide कैसे करेंगे वो सीखेंगे. ठीक है. So let's see here. Here Roma asked to the teacher, we can divide the money also, ma'am? Then teacher replied, yes Roma, to divide the given money by a whole number, proceed as per these steps. So here some steps are given to divide money by a whole number. So here write the given amount of money in figures without a dot. First हमें क्या करना है, जो हमें amount of money दिया हुआ है उसे figure में लिखना है और without dot के लिखना है. Then divide the amount by the given whole number, taking the amount as an ordinary number. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, जो whole number हमें दिया हुआ है उससे divide करेंगे और जो amount है उसको as a ordinary number लेंगे without dot. Next, step number 3. In the quotient, put the dot at the same place from right where it was in the original amount. फिर उसके बाद जो हमारे पास quotient आएगा उसमें क्या करना है, डॉट वहीं लगाना है जैसे कि हमारे पास ओरिजिनल अमाउंट में था उतनी डिजिट के बाद ही हम क्वेश्चन में भी डॉट लगाएंगे. सो हियर वी हैव एग्जांपल नंबर 10. Divide 216.20 rupees by 5. So first we have to divide 216.20 by 5. So we know that first we remove dot and write the amount as ordinary number. So it will written as, and we have to divide it by 5. So our divisor will be 5. Now as we divide, we will divide here. 5 4s are 20. After subtracting we get 1 minus 0 is 1 and bring down here 6. It will become 16. 5 3s are 15. After subtracting we get here 1 and 2 will be bring down here. 5 2s are 10 and after subtracting it will become 2 and 0. And then we have 5 4s are 20 and the remainder will be 0. So here we have the quotient is 4324. As we know in the step number 3, so we have to place the dot as per the real amount. So here we have the dot after 2 digit from the right to left. So here 1 2. So in this also we put decimal after 2 digit. So it will become 43 rupees 24 paise, or we can write 43.24 rupees. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. In this we have a word problem. Let's see here. Example number 11. So in this, Neha bought 8 dresses for 920.80 rupees. How much did one dress cost her? यहाँ बोला नेहा ने क्या है 8 ड्रेसेस खरीदी और उन 8 ड्रेसेस का प्राइस है 920.80 rupees and we have to find out the cost of one dress. For that we will divide the number and we know that we have to remove the dot and write the amount as ordinary number. So after dividing it by 8, so 8 ones are 8. Subtracting it we get 1. 2 will be bring down here. 2 8 ones are 8. After subtracting we get 4 here. Bring down 0, it will become 40 and 8 5s are 40. After that we have 0 and bring down 8 here. 8 ones are 8 and 0 will be 0. Okay. So here we have the quotient is this one and we have to know here we have to put dot as per the real amount. So here we have dot after 2 digits. So in this quotient we also put dot here and our answer will become the cost of one dress is 115.10 rupees. Okay. Now teacher said to the student, children, I hope you understand all the concept of division and now do this exercise for more practice. We have exercise 12D. Let's solve it. The question number 1 is divide the following. Okay. And the first question is of this question is 875.28 rupees divided by 8. First we write this amount as an ordinary number. So we will write here 87528 and we have to divide it by 8. Okay. So we know that 8 ones are 8. After subtracting it we get 0 here. 7 will be bring down and 7 is less than 8. So we will put here 0 and bring down 5 also here. 8 9s are 72. So we will write here 72. After subtracting we get 3. We will bring down 2 here. It will become 32 and 8 4s are 32. After subtracting it we get 0 and bring down 8 here. 8 ones are 8 and the remainder will become 0. Here we have the quotient is 10941 and as we know we have to put the dot as we have in the actual amount. So here we have 1 and 2. After 2 digit we have the dot. So in this also we put dot after 2 digits. So 1 and 2, here we put the dot. So it will become 109 rupees point, or we can say 109 rupees 41 paise. Okay. So this is our answer here. Now we have question number 2. Deepak works for 8 hours a day. अब दीपक जो है वो क्या करता है, एक दिन में 8 घंटे काम करता है. He earns 616 rupees per day. और एक दिन के उसे कितने रुपए मिलते हैं, 616 rupees. So how much does he earn in 1 hour? तो वो 1 hour में कितना earn करता है वो हमें बताना है. For that, we make this statement first. Deepak works in a day for, एक दिन में कितने घंटे काम करता है? 8 hours. Okay, and he earns 616 rupees per day. मतलब एक दिन का, और वी कैन से एक दिन में वो 8 घंटे काम कर रहा है, तो 8 घंटे का उसे कितने पैसे मिल रहे हैं? 616 rupees. So we will write here, he earn money in 8 hours. ठीक है, 8 hours में उसको कितनी मनी मिल रही है? 616 rupees. Okay, and now we have to find out the what he earned in 1 hour. So here we write he earns in 1 hour, कि वो 1 hour में कितना earn कर रहा है. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे हम? Divide. So here we write 616 divided by 8. Okay, 6 is less than 8, so we will take 2 digit here, and 8 8 is 64, so we will write here 8 7 is 56. Okay, so after subtracting we get 11 minus 6 is 5, and here will become 5 minus 5 is 0. Now we will bring down 6 here, so it will become 56, and 8 7s are 56. So here we have the quotient 77. So we can write here he earns 77 rupees per hour, कि एक घंटे में वो कितने रुपए कमाता है? 77 rupees. Okay, so in the word problem we can also first we arrange the statement, then we will divide and write the answer. Okay, so here we have question number 3 4 5 as word problems. You will try to do yourself. Now we have the next topic, unitary method. So let's see here what is unitary method. Okay, so here teacher asks children, do you know about unitary method? And Chetna replied, no ma'am, please tell us in detail. So let's see here, the unitary method is also known as the method of ones, कि unitary method को हम method of ones भी बोलते हैं. A very simple principle of this method is, इसका simple method क्या है? To get more value we will multiply, and to get less value we will divide. अगर हमें किसी भी चीज की 1 की वैल्यू दी हुई है और उससे ज्यादा की निकालनी है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. और हमें ज्यादा की वैल्यू दी हुई है, उससे कम की वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो हम करेंगे डिवाइड. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हियर सम एग्जांपल्स. सो दीज एग्जांपल गिवन ब्लू. So these example given below will make the concept more clear. So observe this example. Example number 12. The cost of 1 pen is 25 rupees. Find the cost of 8 pens. So in this question we have the cost of 1 pen. तो हमें यहाँ 1 पेन की कॉस्ट दी है 25 rupees, and we have to find out the cost of 8 pens. Okay, so clearly more pens will cost more. कि हमें पता है एक पेन 25 का है, अगर हम 8 पेन लेंगे तो कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा हो जाएगी. उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पेन इज 25 rupees. Cost of 8 pens will be 25 into 8, and we get here 200 rupees. So we can say the cost of 8 pens is 200 rupees. Okay, now we can say from the above example we conclude the following is cost of required number of units equals to cost of 1 unit into required number of units. हम क्या करते हैं? जो हम अगर हमें जितना भी पूछा है कि उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी होगी किसी भी यूनिट की, तो हमें जो कॉस्ट दी हुई है 1 यूनिट की, और जो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर है यूनिट का कि कितनी यूनिट का हमें कॉस्ट बताना है, उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा. Now we have question number 3, that is example number 13. The cost of 12 pens is 1140 rupees, and we have to find out the cost of 1 pen. यहाँ पर हमें 12 pens की cost दी हुई है, and we have to find out the cost of 1 pen. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Divide. Yes. So clearly less pens will cost लेस, कि अगर कम पेन होंगे तो उनकी कॉस्ट भी कम होगी. सो एंड वी गेट लेस फ्रॉम डिवाइडिंग. और अगर हमें कम वैल्यू निकालनी है तो वो कैसे निकलेगी? डिवाइड से. So here we write cost of 12 pens will be 1140 rupees and the cost of one pen is 1140 rupees divided by 12. After dividing we have here 95 rupees. So we can write here the cost of one pen is 95 rupees. From the above example we conclude the following. Cost of one unit, अगर हमें 1 यूनिट की कॉस्ट निकालनी है तो जो गिवन कॉस्ट है, जितनी कॉस्ट दी हुई है उसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे गिवन नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स. ओके, नाउ वी हैव एग्जांपल नंबर 14. हियर 7 रूम हीटर्स कॉस्ट 6965 रुपीज. व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 15 रूम हीटर्स? अब हमें यहाँ पे दिया है कि 7 रूम हीटर्स हैं, उनकी कॉस्ट इतनी है 6965 रुपीज. And we have to find out the cost of 15 room heaters. So first we write in the statement here, cost of 7 room heater is 6965 rupees and we have to find out and then we have to find out the cost of 1 room heater. Okay, so for that we will divide the cost by 7. After dividing that we get 995 rupees. And we have to find out the cost of 15 rooms heater. For that we will multiply 995 by 15. So here we get 14,925 rupees after multiplying. So we can say the cost of 15 room heaters is 14,925 rupees. Okay, so this is all about unitary method. Here teacher asked children, is the concept clear to you? And then student replied, yes ma'am. So teacher said, okay, now do this exercise, that is exercise 12e. So here we have the question number 1. The cost of one cycle is 1975 rupees and we have to find out the cost of 22 cycles. So first we write the statement here, cost of one cycle. Okay, and the cost of one cycle is 1975 rupees. 1975 rupees. Okay, now we have to find out the cost of 22 cycles. So here we write cost of 22 cycles. For that we know that यहाँ हमें एक की पता है और ज़्यादा की कॉस्ट निकालनी है. For that we will multiply the number or the given amount 1975 multiplied by 22. After multiplying it we get here, let's solve it. 1975 multiplied by 22. So here we get 2 5s are 10, 1 will be here, 2 7s are 14, 14 1 15, 1 will be here, 2 9s are 18, 18 and 1 19, 1 will be here, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Okay, now as we know we have to multiply it by now 2 10s. So here we put 0. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15, 2 9s are 18 and 1 19 and 2 1s are 2 and 1 is 3. After adding it we get 0 is 0 0, 5 0 5, 9 by 14. Here we have 1 as carry over here. So 1 and 3 is 4, 4 9 13. 1 will be here, 1 and 3 is 4. So we have the answer here after multiplying it, 43,450 rupees. Okay, so as answer we can write here the cost of 22 cycles will be 43,450 rupees. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, now we have question number 2. As we do in question number 1, you have to try by yourself to do this question. Okay, now we are moving to the next. Here we have the next topic, bill of purchase. In this we learn about the bill. Okay, so here teacher asks, hello Gitika, did you or your parents get bill from the shopkeeper after making a purchase? कि हम शॉप पे कभी भी कुछ भी खरीदने जाते हैं, क्या शॉपकीपर हमें बिल देता है कि नहीं? Then Gitika replied, yes ma'am. After that, teacher asked, did you notice what was written on the bill? A bill has the details of commodities purchased and the price of each commodity. कि बिल पर क्या लिखा होता है कि कौन कौन सी कॉमोडिटी हमने खरीदी है, उसके परचेज वैल्यू कितनी है, कितने रुपीस में हमने खरीदी है, और एक कमोडिटी का क्या प्राइस होगा. Then Gitika replied, yes ma'am. So here teacher said, let us see through these examples that how a bill is generated. So here we have example number 15. In this we learn how to make a bill. So make out a bill for the following purchases which Rohan purchased. तो यहाँ पर कुछ commodities दी हैं जो क्या है रोहन ने परचेज की हैं. For example, here cake is of 32 rupees 50 paise and amount of biscuit is 9 rupees 50 paise and the cost of tea is 55 rupees and the cost of chocolate is 35.25 rupees. So for making the bill, first we write the item that Rohan purchased. So here cake, biscuit, tea and chocolate. Then we write the quantity. So he purchased one cake, one biscuit, one tea and one chocolate. And the price of these items we will write here. One cake of 32 rupees 50 paise, one biscuit of 9 rupees 50 paise and the cost of one tea is 55 rupees and the cost of one chocolate is 35 rupees 25 paise. Okay, now we have to find out the total here and we write total here after adding these amounts. Okay, so in this way we can easily prepare a bill. Now we have example number 16. Ranbir bought a book for 98.25 rupees, a scale for 20.50 rupees, 4 pencils for 3.25 rupees each and 2 sharpener for 2.50 each. So we have to make a bill and find out the amount he has to pay. For that, first we know that we arrange in the column of items whatever he purchased. So book, scale, pencil and sharpeners. Now we will write the quantity. He purchased one book, one scale, 4 pencils and 2 sharpeners. Now we write price per item की, एक item की कितनी cost है. So one book is of 98.25 rupees, one scale is of 20.50 rupees and the cost of one pencil is 3.25 rupees and the pencil cost of 4 pencil will become 13 rupees. Now we have 2 sharpeners and cost of one sharpener is 2.50 rupees and the cost of 2 sharpener will become 5 rupees. After that we will add the amount to get the total amount here. Now teacher said, children, is it clear to you all? Then Chetna replied, yes ma'am. So teacher said, do this exercise for more practice. So here we have exercise 12F. In this what we have to do? Read the price of item listed in the rate list given below and prepare a bill for various purchases. So here items is given. Okay. Now quantity is also given. An amount in rupees is also given here and we have to find out the 1 kg of rice, 4 kg of atta, 250 gram of butter and 500 gram of moong dal and we have to prepare a bill for that. So first we write the items. Okay, here we have the items rice and after that atta, then we have butter and after that we have moong dal. Okay, we have these items in this. Okay, after that we will write quantity. Okay, so quantity will be right here. Quantity is 1 kg of rice, so here we write 1. Okay, and 4 kg of atta, so here we write 4 and then we write 250. Now here we write 250 gram of butter 250 gram butter and then 500 gram moong dal. Okay. Now we write here प्राइस पर आइटम की, एक आइटम कितने रुपीस का, ठीक है. प्राइस पर आइटम as given here in the table, price of 1 kg is of 65 rupees. So here we write 65 rupees. Okay. And the cost of 1 kg of atta is 55 rupees. So here we write 55 rupees. Next we have butter of 250 gram. So here is butter is given. The cost of butter of 500 gram is 274.55 gram. Okay. So for that we will divide it, get to the 250 gram. We know that 250 gram is the half of 500 gram. So we will divide 274.55 by 2. Okay. After dividing it, we get here 2 ones are 2. Then 7 bring down, 2 3 is 6. After that we have here 1 and then we bring down 4, 2 7 is 14 and here we have 5 5, 2 2 is 4 and 2 7 is 14. So we get here the cost of 250 gram is 137 rupees 0.27. Okay. Now we have cost of moong dal of 1 kg is 90 rupees. Okay. So now we have to find out the amount here. Amount will be 1 kg of rice is 65 rupees. Then we have to find out the amount of 4 kg of atta and 1 kg of atta is of 55 rupees. So 4 kg will be 1 4 5 is 20 and 4 5 is 22. 220 rupees. Okay. Now we have to find out the cost of 250 gram of butter. As we know, we already find it out. So it is 137.27 rupees. Now 1 kg of moong dal of 90 rupees and we have to write the amount of 500 gram moong dal. So here it will become half of that, that is 45 rupees. Okay. And we know that after that we have to find out the total amount. So here we write total. Okay. And after that we will add it. So here we have 7, 2, decimal, 5, 7, 12, 12, 5, 17. 1 will be carried over here, 1, 6, 7, 7, 2, 9, 9, 3, 12, 12, 4, 16. 1 carry over here, so we get 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 1, 4. So the total amount is 467 rupees 27 paise. Okay. So in this manner we can prepare a bill also. Okay. So here we have question number 2, 3 and 4. You have to prepare the bill of these items. Okay. Now we are moving to the next one. So here we have chapter checker. So take the correct option. In this we have the cost of 1 dozen banana is 60 rupees. What is the cost of 15 bananas? As we know, in 1 dozen we have 12 bananas. So 60 divided by 12. So we get 5 means, it means cost of 1 banana is 5 rupees. Now we have to find out the cost of 15 bananas. So we will multiply 15 by 5. So 15 5s are 75. This is our answer. Okay. So the number of 2 rupees coins in 200. So 2 rupees के कितने coin होंगे 200 में? 100 coins. Okay. Now 0.09 is 0.09 क्या है? 9 पैसे हैं. Okay. Now Suchita save 995 rupees every month. How much money will she save in a year? तो एक मंथ में वो सेव करती है 990 rupees और हमें एक ईयर का निकालना है. As we know, in a year we have 12 months, so we will multiply 995 by 12, so we get the total amount. You have to find out the total amount here. Now we have the question rupees 217 and 94 paise is written as. So it will be written as the third option. The cost of one notebook is 35.50 rupees. We have to find out the cost of 12 notebooks. तो हमें दिया है वन नोटबुक 35.50 रुपीज़ की है, तो 12 नोटबुक कितने रुपीज़ की होगी? सो क्या करेंगे उसके लिए? हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So you will find it. Now total number of items multiplied by cost of one item. So what we get here? We get total cost. Okay. Now we have question number 2. In this, solve the following. So in first one, 215.75 rupees plus 950.25 rupees, 10 plus 2000.15 rupees. We have to add these all amounts and write it here the sum. Okay. You know that how to add the amounts here. And in part C and D, we have to subtract the numbers or amount, we can say. In question number 3, we have to multiply the amount by whole number, and we know that how to multiply the number. Next, we have divide the following. You know that how to divide the amount by a whole number. Next, we have question number 5 and 6. In this, we have some word problems, and we already solved some word problems. So you will try to do yourself here. Okay. Now we have some horse question. In this, Anu divided 1533 between two of her friends in such a way that one may get half as much as the other gets. कि अनु ने क्या किया? 1533 रुपीज़ हैं जो क्या है अपने दो फ्रेंड्स को दिए हैं, और वो इस तरीके से दिए हैं, इस तरीके से डिवाइड किए हैं कि एक के पास जितना अमाउंट है दूसरे के पास उसका हाफ होगा. सो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? फाइंड द अमाउंट ईच ऑफ हर फ्रेंड रिसीव. तो उसकी हर एक फ्रेंड ने कितना अमाउंट रिसीव किया, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. Here we also have some word problems. You will try to do yourself. Now we have mental math question. 100. Now we have mental math question. In this we have to fill in the blanks. 10 notes of 200 rupees means a total of. So 10 notes हैं 200 rupees के, तो कितना टोटल होगा? 200 multiplied by 10. So we get here 2000 rupees. Okay. Again we have 5 notes of 500. So you will multiply 500 by 5. Then we have 4 notes of 200. So we will multiply 200 rupees by 4. Next we have 10 notes of 20 rupees. So we will multiply 20 by 10. So we get here the total amount. Okay. So here we have math lab activity. Student, you will do this activity in your class with your teacher. So this is all about our chapter. In this we learn about the money, currency, and how do we add, subtract, multiply and division of the money, or we can say amount. Okay. And we also learn about the unitary method. I hope all the concept of this chapter has been clear to you all. Keep doing practice. It will make you perfect. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.